Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to record your first meeting with Otter.ai? Let me show you how step by step on the free plan. First, open Otter.ai on your phone or desktop, sign into your free account. To record live meeting, click the record button at the bottom of the screen. Press the blue microphone icon to start capturing audio. Otter will begin transcribing in real time. You will see words appear as people speak. When the meeting ends, press stop recording. Otter saves the transcript automatically. For online meetings like Zoom or Google Meet, use Otter Note Taker. Connect your calendar, and Otter joins your meetings automatically. Free plan limits your recording to 30 minutes per session and 300 total minutes per month. So keep meetings short. After recording, open the transcript to review and edit any mistakes. You can search for keywords, speaker names, or action items using the search bar. Pro tip: label speakers by editing their names after the meeting. This improves future transcriptions. And that is it. You have successfully recorded your first meeting. If you recorded your first meeting, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.